It's Flower Friday. Today on our Flower Friday, we'll have this beautiful specimen of flower, which is a fire element while playing 3-circle anti-spin diamond flower. To start, my poi are on fire element, my arm in fire element too. First, let's dive into the diamond. 3-circle, you will feel the poi going down at 3 places. 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, up, 3. 1, 2, up, 3. 1, 2, up, 3. Just do that, please. Try it again. Try to get as most expansion that you could have. Have a good line, and the flower will be better. When my poi is on my native side here, he's inside of me. And on the other side, if my arm cross, the poi is in front. One side pass inside of my body. Look at here. It passes inside, here and here. So practice that just to have the feeling of the hands. And then practice the other side. If you are starting in flower, make your poi shorter. It will be just better for you to understand that motion. Let's try with both hands. For now, we don't care about circle. We're just here. One hand will be on top, the other on the empty space. And focus just getting that and getting that as clean as possible. Let's try with clubs, because you can spin them and you can stop them whenever you want. And if you don't have club, just play with a stick to the side, circle to top, circle to side, circle to bottom, circle to side, etc. with both ends. It does mean that they are going to one side, and after that they will keep going and circle up to down, and then circle to the side, circle up and down, circle to the side. Let's just try to just open and get back. One on top, get back. Other on top, get back. One on top, get back. Other on top, get back. When a poi passes through the middle, here, that middle point, here, it's the timing to go to full. Your first pointing, and it could be a stall. It's pretty awesome. So you will feel like a stall, but it is not. Both to the side to up and down, side up and down, side up, side up, side up. If I'm here in fire element, there is one poi going down, while the other going up, up to side, up to side, up to side, up and down to the side. Up and down to the side. This is my entry for my movement, and wow, 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 wow. It's all for that Flower Friday. I hope you will discover a couple of things, or just have a couple of things that will be helpful for you. Just thank you for Flowtoys for that space and for what they do. They do a jam every week in that space, and you can join in if you want every Wednesday. It's really beautiful human that really are really nice host, and yeah. So thanks to Flowtoys, and bye-bye. What is he doing here? I think his name is Lucas, something like that. Feel weird, don't he? It's a joke. It's a really nice human.